Good day, children. Happy morning to all of you. Yes.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Happy morning, dear.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes. It's time to do our morning meditation.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, dears. Once you saw this slide, what you have to do? We have to start our meditation. Yes, everybody sit comfortably. Everybody sit comfortably still. Some of them roaming, not sitting comfortably. Everybody sit comfortably. Close your eyes and start thinking the mantras. Yes, everyone.
Yes, sit straight. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Inhale from one nostril and exhale through another nostril. Again, inhale through one nostril and exhale through another nostril. One more time. Inhale, exhale.
Yes. So children,
Super.
relax yourself. Slowly open your eyes. Jai Gurudev. Happy morning to one and all.
Jai Gurudev, dears.
Today's date, everyone type in the chat box. What's today's date? Yes. Sivashni, Sai Lakshmi, Mithun, yes, so many gave the answers. Very good. Today, the date is 20th April 2021. Yes. 20th is the date of this month and month of the which month we are in? April month and the year 2021. Yes, very good. Very good, my dear. So today we are going to have math session.
Children, we are going to start our session with some interesting facts. Everyone ready? Yes? Yes, we are going to see about the facts. Yes? The first fact is, Ruby ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The first fact we are going to say is, who's the father of mathematics? Do you know who is the father of mathematics? Ma'am has shown you a picture with the name, right? He's called Archimedes. Okay, he's a very big, very wise man. You know, he made many notable inventions in maths. He told many ideas. Okay, so we call him as father of mathematics. Archimedes. Archimedes. He is a Greek mathematician. Okay. Yes, Archimedes. Superb. Who is the father of mathematics? Yes, children? Archimedes. Archimedes. Yes, very good. Archimedes. Okay. We are going to see a next fact now. You know the numbers, right? You know the numbers from 1 to 100. Yes. If you add all the numbers like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, like that. If you add all the numbers from 1 to 100, you know, the addition, if you add all the numbers from 1 to 100, you will get the sum as the total as 5050. 5050. I repeat, if you add all the numbers from 1 to 100 consecutively means continuously, okay? Continuously, it totals 5050. You know up to 100, right? Ones, tens, 100. Right? In your higher classes, you will come to know what is 1000, right? If you add up all the numbers, you will get this as the total. 5050. Okay? Yes. Next slide, please.
5,050.
Yes, dear. Superb. Mute yourself, please. Okay? Yeah. The next fact. See, if you're speaking, I'm talking to you, right? I'm speaking to you, right? If I am speaking to you, I use 72 different muscles. I use 72 different muscles. You know what is muscles? When you touch your body, you feel very soft, right? That softness is because of the muscles inside. Okay? You use 72 different muscles. You use 72 different muscles while speaking. While speaking. Okay? Interesting, right? Yes? Okay. Yes, dear. Mute yourself, Rian. We will just recall with this. Yes? See? You in the red color, the small boxes represent ones. Yes, very good. And the long strip like blue color represents tens, right? Yes? So what is the answer for that first one? How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, very good. So many answers in the chat. Very good. So it is 9 ones. And how many tens are there? 110. Right. So what is the number? 19. Right? Yes, very good. 19. See, ma'am has circled you the answer. 110 and 9 ones. 110 and 9 ones. Yes, superb. Very good. So many answers in the chat. Superb. Okay. Yes, 110 and 9 ones. In number, we say it as 19. Yes, very good. Look at the second picture. What is the second answer? How many ones are there? How many tens are there? It's hiding. Yes, yes. Ma'am is showing you with the zoomed one. Yes, yes. Yes, how many ones are there? Very good. 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many green boxes are there? 4. Right. Superb. How many tens are there? 1. Yes, very good. So what is the number? 1, 4, 14. Yes? Okay. Superb. Very good. So 1 tens and 4 ones. 110 and 4 1. Right? Superb. Very good, dear. Very good. Okay. I want 2EJ to unmute yourself. 2EJ to unmute yourself. You can say the answer for third one. How many ones are there? Everyone can answer in the chat. Seven ones. Yes, very good. Okay, we will give you last 15 minutes so that at that time you can unmute and say. Yes? Okay, now you can answer in the chart itself. Seven ones. Superb. Seven ones. How many ones are there? Seven ones. Superb. Yes, very good. So what is the number? Just 7, right? There is no tens place here. There is only ones. So we have to write only one number, 7. Yes? We have to write only one number, 7. Yes. Very good. Yeah, coming to the fourth sum. Coming to the fourth sum.
Vidya Lakshmi ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, 7. 7 is the number. Next, fourth. Yes, so many answers in the chat. How many ones are there in the fourth? 8. Is very good. 8. How many tens are there? 1. So how many ones and tens in word? How will you write? 110 and how many tens? How many ones? 110 and 8 ones. Yes, 110 and 8 ones. Yes, very good. Look at the fifth sum. What will be your answer? How many boxes are there? 9? What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Yes, 9 ones. You will write number 9. Yes? Superb. Next, sixth sum. So many answers, right? We are just recapping, right? Yes, you are answering very quickly. Yes. Sixth one. How many ones are there? 6 ones. Very good. How many tens are there? 110. Yes. 110 and 6 ones. Right? 110 and 6 ones. Superb. Very good, dear. Claps to you all. Okay.
Just 1 second, ma'am. I will share in. Where is it?
Okay, shall I share, ma'am?
Is it visible for you?
Yes, ma'am. Visible.
So children, you can zoom in.
Yes. So that then everything will be clear. Just click on the screen and zoom in. Yes? Okay. Seventh. Yes, very good. For the seventh sum, you had already done how many ones are there, right? So how many ones are there? 7 ones. Yes, how many tens are there? 1 tens. Very good, dear. 110 and 7 ones. Yes. What is the number? What is the number? 17. Very good. So 110 and 7 ones. Right? Okay, next eighth one. What is the answer? There is no tens, right? There is only ones. Yes? So what is the number? Superb. So many answers on the chart. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My children are very fast. They count quickly and writing the answers in the chart. Yes? So 8. In words, how will you write? 8 ones. In words, how will you write? 8 ones. Yes? Now, look at the last one. See, there is no ones at all. There is only tens figure. Yes? So, how many tens figure are there? There is no ones place, right? So, we have to put 0 in that ones place. And the tens, how many are there? 2 are there. So, 2 tens and 0 ones. So, what is the number? 20. Yes? If there is no ones, you no need to write in words that 0 ones. Just write 2 tens as ma'am circled you. That is enough. Okay? So, what is the number? 20. Yes? Very good, dears. Very good. Very good. Over to Rubini ma'am. Yes? 1 minute.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidulakshmi ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
children, you all understood, right? How the ones and tens. Okay, now we will recap whatever we learned. Okay, yes. Now, see, you all know, you all done with the abacus, right? I'm going to say some facts in the abacus. Okay, everybody, listen carefully.
1 minute, ma'am. I will share the screen.
No, ma'am, no need. I will do it.
Okay.
I'm having to do it.
Yeah, okay.
So, here the ones, here the tens, and here the 100 place value. Yes? Okay. Now, in the ones room, you all might done, right? The maximum beat which can occupy in one's room, how many numbers could occupy, how many beats can occupy in one's room? Give your answers in the chat box. Give your answers in the chat box. Let me check. Give your answers in the chat box. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, Rayan, Sadhana, Ojasvi. Oh my God, I couldn't read all your names. Jai, Nandika, Mithun, Varsha, Aryan, Ramya. Very good, superb children. Yes, only 9 beats can occupy in each place value. In each place value. Everybody listen carefully. In each place value, only 9 beats can occupy. If the ones place value, 1 second, my dear. Let me explain. Later, I will clear your doubt. Okay? Let me finish. Yes. So, in each place value, only 9 beats can occupy. So, what about the 10th? It will move to the next higher place value. It will move to the next higher place value. See, in the ones room, if it filled with 9 beats, for example, I'm just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the next one, where it will go? It will go to the 10th next higher place value, which is 10. 10th place value. Okay? Yes, here it will come. Okay? Then again, if the 10th place also filled with 9 beats. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the next number will go with the 100. If these two bits filled both in the full capacity, which is 9. If it filled with both 9, then the next will move to the 100 place value. Okay? So far you might finish till 99 last year. This year you are going to look 99 after both 99, right? The 10th ones number also 9 beats and 10th place also 9 beats. So it will move to the next 100 place value. Okay? Yes? And ma'am taught you yesterday, right? Your your baby finger is 1, your ring finger is 10, and middle finger is 100. Do you all remember that? Yes? Do you all remember that? Yes? Your baby finger is 1, your ring finger is 10, your middle finger is 100. Okay? Yes? Okay, now any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this, my dear children? Yes. Okay, I hope it's clear. We'll move to the next thing. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now, I want you all know, what is this number? Okay. For example, what is the difference between 5 and 6? What is the difference between 5 and 6? 5 after 6, 6 after 7. Okay. But I want to know what is the difference between these two. What is the difference between these two numbers? That is 1. That is 1. Okay. The 5, all the next upcoming number will be added with 1. You should all know this. Yes, very good. You all give your answers in the chat box. I'm so happy about you all. Okay? Yes. So what is the difference between the next number? 1. Throughout the math, all the counts, the next number is called as successor number. What is called as successor number? What is called as? Everybody repeat after ma'am. Successor number. What is that? Successor number. The next number is called as successor number. Okay. So what is the successor of 5? 6. Okay. Sorry, Ojasvi. Now it's clear, Ojasvi. Okay. So very good. Thank you. Thank you, dear. What is the successor of 5? Everybody give your answers in the chat box. What is the successor of 5? 6. Very good. Very good. Yes. What is the successor of 10? Yes. Very good. Mahavidya. Yes. Very good. Ojasvi, Dharani, Sadhana. Very good. Very good. Super, my dear children. Super. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now I told no. After number is called as successor. What is called as before number? What is called as before number? There should be a term for the before number too, right? That is called as preceder. Preceder. Okay? Preceder. You should all know these terms. You all grown up. Yes? You all came to grade 2. So you have to know the proper terminologies. Okay? You should all use these names only. Names means terms for these words. Proper word. What to mention. Okay? So these words you should know it. Okay? Yes. So what is the before number is called as? Yes, very good. Preceder. Preceder. Okay? So what is the preceder of 6? Yes, Ojasvi. Very good. Yes, Krishav, Jahanvel. Yes, so many gave the answers. Very good. Super. Okay. What is the preceder of 9? What is the preceder of number 9? Yes, yes. Very good. Very good. I could see all your answers. Very good, my dear. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now we'll move to the class. Okay? Yes. So what is the next thing? We are going to look at numbers from 101 to 200. 101 to 200. Okay? Everybody repeat after me how to read this number. How to read this number. Okay? My children, if you want, the numbers will look very small in your mobile device. Okay? You please zoom it. How to zoom means you all might know, I think. You all might know how to zoom it. Okay? You please... Vidyalakshmi ma'am, did my voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Yes, ma'am. May I know who is this? Okay, I hope my voice is audible. Yes. Okay. So you all repeat after me. Okay. 101. 101. 102. What is this number? 102. 103. 103. 104. 104. Okay. 105. 105. Look at here in the tens place value, it mentioned it as 0, which means there is no tens place value. So we will skip that place value and we'll read the next place value. Okay. So 105, 106, 106, 107, 107, 108, 109, 110, 110, then 111, 111, 112, 112, 113, 113. See, while you are mentioning teen, you have to prolong your sound. Teen. Okay? 114, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118. Ma, everybody repeat after me. Read along with ma'am. Some of them are not reading along with ma'am. Yes, I could find. All you have to loudly read along with me with mute. Okay, you should not unmute. 119. Then what is the next? Is it 20 or 20? Only 20. Okay, you should read this only 20. 120. Okay, 120. Now, this is 121. 122. 123. 124. 125. 126. 127. 128. 129. 130. Okay, yes, then 131. 132. 133. 134. 135. 136. 137. 138. 139. 140. 140. Then 141. 142. 143. 144. 145. 146. 147. 148. 149. 150. 50. Okay. Next, 151, 152. Yes, read along with me. 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Okay. Yes. Next, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170. Then 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180. Then 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 190, and then 191, 192, 193, 194, 196, 197, 198, 199, 199 after what will come? What will come? Yes, because all the tens and ones place value, it reached the peak, which fulfilled its place value. So what will be here? The next number, the next place value will get one more number. So that is 200. That is 200. That is 200. 200. 200. Okay? Yes. Now we are going to look the number names. Number names. How to read, write number names. Okay? Yes. So already you might have done this. How to write the number names of a given 3-digit numerals. See children, I am here just teaching you one trick to you. Okay? You should all follow this. Then it is very easy to read this. Okay? Always see what is the place value of this first. What is the place value of this? Ones place value here. Tens place value here. Hundreds place value. Yes? Hundreds, tens, ones. Yes? So, you just combine the two which is given here. Which is these two. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Okay? Now, read this 300, 325, 25. How you are reading? Likewise, you have to write. So, what is 3 spelling? What is 3 spelling? THREE 3, 100, HUNDRED 100, 300, 25, 25, TWENTY 20, FIVE 5. This is how you have to do. Okay? Yes? 325. Okay? How you are reading? Likewise, you have to give answer. See, if you combine the tens and ones, it will be very easy for you. Okay? So, 3 is the hundreds place. 300. Then the next two number is 25. Then, here, what is this 3-digit number? Ma, please don't give the annotation. Okay? Yes. What is the next number? Yes. So, here the... Ma, please don't, children, don't give the annotation request. Yes. So, what is the ones place value here? 8. Tens place value is 0. And 100 place value is 7. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to combine the tens and ones. Now read. 700. 7 has hundreds place value. So 700 in tens place value, nothing, 0. So we should not mention it. Okay? We should not mention it. What we have to do? What is the next place value is mentioned? 8 ones. So 708. 708. So how we have to write? 708. So what is the 7 spelling? SEVEN 7. HUNDRED 100. 708. EIGHT 8. Okay? Is it clear, my dear children? Okay, only one more sum. Okay, one more sum. We will check how to write the numbers, numerals for the words. Okay, numerals for the given words. Okay, look at here. 573. Very good. You gave the answer. Who is that? Yes, so many gave the answer. Kanitra, Dharani, yes, so many gave the answers. Very good. 573. 573. So what you have to do? 500. So which 5 has the hundreds place value and 73, 7 tens and 3 ones. That is 73. Okay. Yes. So what is the answer? 573. 73. Now for the next, let me check how many of you giving the answers. Wow, Nandana, super Nandana. Yes, very good. So many give the answers. Very good, super, very good. So what is the answer? 980. 980. Yes, Arshita K, kindly unmute yourself, ma. Arshita K, are you there? Arshita K, are you there, ma? Arshita K, are you there?
Please there, ma'am. But yeah.
Yes, Arshita, Jai Gurudev. Yes, dear. See how to read this. 980 is 80. So what is 80? What is the number 80? 80 is the 80, right?
Yes.
Yes. So 08 is what? 08 is 80 or 80 is 80?
80 is 80.
Very good. 80 is 80. 08 is only 8. Only 8. Tens place doesn't have value, no? 0, no? So we no need to read that. We will go to the next higher place value. Next place value, that is 8. So 908 is 908. Okay, 980 is 980. Could you understand, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, superb, my dear children. You all done a very good job. Okay, now I am going to give you an activity. Okay, are you all ready for this? You should all try at home. Okay, you all know what is abacus, right? What is abacus, right? Yes. See, whatever, if you are getting any box or even in the vegetables, you can stick the stick and you can try it out. Okay. Or if you finish the watermelon with that skin also, you can do it. You can try it. Okay. No need to do only in the cardboard box or anything. Whichever is possible, you can try on your own. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Even they can put sand in a bowl and place the sticks on it.
Yes, ma'am. Over to Vidyalakshmi,
Yes.
ma'am. Please explain, ma'am.
Thank you. Children, look at the picture. Ma'am has placed vegetables in the plate. Each color represent one place value. Ones, carrot represent ones, and this cucumber represent tens, and lady's finger represent hundreds. You can use any color of vegetables as you in your home, as you are having in your home. Okay, make a hole in it and place it on the sticks as shown in the picture. Next picture. See, ma'am has placed the numbers for 565. 565, right? The ones place, 5 carrot were placed. In the tens place, 6 cucumber was placed. Yes. In 100 place, 5 lady's finger was placed. Like that, you can place your vegetables on the stick or like the star used, you can use it. Whatever is available in your home, you can make like this. Your wish. Yes? Will you all do it? No,
Yes,
you can
children.
take your plate and you can keep it safe in your drive. We will give you Google Classroom subject code, right? After that, you can post it over there. Yes? Yes, Rubini ma'am, you can say some
Yes.
information also.
Yes. Children, you will receive your Google Classroom code where you have to join. Okay. There you have to post all your pictures. Okay. Everybody, for all these things you will get a grade. Okay. All this will be noted down by ma'am, your class teachers. Okay. So you all should do this. You have to take a photo and keep it safe. We will send you a code. In that you have to join in that Google Classroom and you have to post your pictures. Okay. With your name, date, everything. Okay. Yes. So any queries, any doubts? Any doubt, my dear children? If you have any doubt, you can raise your voice.
No.
Yes, dear? Yes. What doubt, ma? Somebody unmuted, what doubt?
No, ma'am.
No doubt? Okay.
No,
So you
ma'am.
all know how to do number names and number? How to write numerals for the number names. Yes, you know, right? So next class I will call out your names and I will ask you people to give the answers. Everybody should be get ready. Okay? Those who I am calling, you have to unmute immediately and you have to give the answers. Okay? Yes?
Hello, ma'am.
So till that? Yes, ma'am?
மேம் வந்து நீங்க வந்து கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறதெல்லாம் வந்து லாஸ்ட் இயர்ல வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப்ல வந்து இதா போட்டிருந்தாங்க வீடியோ சப்மிட் பண்ணிருந்தாங்க. இந்த வருஷம் அப்படி எல்லாம் வரவே மாட்டேங்கிறது. அதாவது டேட் கிளாஸ்.
Ma'am, all the homeworks will be uploaded in our MVM app.
MVM app.
All the recordings will be in our website, ma'am. MVM website where you can find all the recordings of the classes.
ஓகே, ஹோம்வொர்க் என்ன MVM ஆப்ல லாஸ்ட் இயர் போடுறீங்களா இப்படி?
Yes, ma'am. Like last year, we will upload the homeworks in MVM app.
Okay.
So you have to finish and upload it in Google Classroom.
Okay.